Hello and welcome, this is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Ampleforth, and in today's video I'm going to talk about ETH staking. How is ETH the new digital bond? And it's a very interesting way to make money, and in this video I'm going to explain ETH staking for you. And the second news will be that Compound can be used by institutional investors in the future thanks to Curve. And this is also a key thing when Wall Street can join DeFi, so decentralized finance. And the third news will be about Ampleforth. You know, Ampleforth is the token which was dropping significantly, and I told you guys that it probably will go up because this is a good entry point. And, you know, now it's killing it. It's really going up. However, many people don't get how Ampleforth is functioning because it's working differently than other cryptocurrencies. Let me tell you an example. Even that the price is lower than you bought it, so with the normal cryptocurrency you would think, okay, I'm actually in minus now. But the Ampleforth market cap, it's going up, it's higher, you still can make profit. So the price of it doesn't matter that much, but the market cap does. So it's very interesting. So I'm going to explain it to you in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain, then definitely you should do it. Subscribe here, down there, next to it. Click on the notification bell here on YouTube so you get the videos as soon as they out, because I put these videos on every weekday on YouTube. So every weekday from Monday to Friday, you get a brand new video. That means 5 new videos every week. And we keep you up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency world with all these videos. We bring you the freshest news, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And now it's time to look at the market, how it looks like at the present. So Bitcoin is right now at $9,099, which is a minus 0.24% decrease in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, as we can see. It's just like the same for a long time. When we look at the winners, Ampleforth, the one I have talked about and going to talk about in today's video, why this is a very special cryptocurrency. It's right now up 43%. Aurora is 39%, also doing very well. And Algorand, it's plus 25%. When we're looking at the losers, then we have Nexo minus 4%, Defi minus 2%, and Hedge Trade minus 2% at the present. And then let's move on to our first news. And this is an article from Bankless. And it's saying that Ether, the birth of the digital bond. And how is Ether working like a bond? I'm going to explain it to you. So first of all, let's start with US dollar. So if you have US dollar, so your savings are in US dollar, that means you're really trusting the government and trusting the dollar. If the dollar goes down, then the value of your saving will go down as well. What you can do, you can buy bonds. Okay, that's another option. You buy bonds with US dollar, but what's happening? You still have everything in US dollar because the bond's value is in US dollar. So again, you're trusting the government and you're trusting the dollar. If it goes down, then of course your saving go down as well. And, you know, that can be nowadays, especially nowadays, a bit risky. Of course, with bonds, you get yield. That's correct. So it's much better than if you have a bond, then you just have US dollar. But there we have another thing. We have Ether and staking Ether, how that works. Basically, what you do with staking Ether, you buy Ether and then you lock it up. First of all, why is it a good thing to buy Ether? Because if you're looking at the value of it right now, I scroll down here on CoinGecko, it says it's down 83% compared to all-time high. So first of all, think about it. Right now, at the present, we are just before the bull market. We don't know exactly when it's going to start, but we're definitely down. So the bull market, it's coming up sooner or later. And which means if you just simply have your savings, so you're just investing in Ethereum, and with that you're buying Ether, you can go up very well. You can gain a lot of profit. But, and here is the trick, you're not just making profit because, excuse me, you locking up your Ether, so you have it anyway. You have it on your, hardware wallet or wherever you store it. It's the same thing. You just lock up your Ether. But with that, you can get some yield. And look, here in this article, they're saying that, there's physical gold, digital gold, we call Bitcoin digital gold, and we have then digital oil, they call like digital oil, Ether. And, it's the same thing. You're buying gold, you're buying Bitcoin, you're buying Ether, and then you're just hoping that it will go up and you make profit. But you can twist it. It still goes up because you keep it, but then you can stake it. And this is digital bond because it's working like a yield instrument. Not just the price going up, you plus get yield with it. And it's very important that unlikely conventional bonds, you don't have any counterparty risk. You have actually just the risk of the protocol. So if it's a technical risk, basically. So let me see how it works. Let me show you. So here, you have ETH, as I said, you bought it. You deposit ETH into the staking contract. So you have a smart contract and you deposit it. You run staking software honestly, and then you earn ETH. That's it. So you even get more ETH just with staking it. And this is very important. And here they say the annual inflation of ETH to 2024 will be 1.4. So they're saying Bitcoin is going to be 1.8%, gold going to be 1.6% annually, and then ETH. So this is also a great number. And right now, I mean, at the beginning, when it all starts, that Ethereum 2.0, which is based on proof of stake, will coming out probably this year. I mean, they always push it, that and push it later in the year. It was originally in this month in July, but of course it won't happen. But hopefully phase 0 is coming out. So here you can see that at the very beginning, so those who wake up very early and start to stake can get, the total ETH. If they have this 525K, then it can be actually over 20% staking yield, which is a very great one. And, if you go down, even for 1.5 million ETH is staked, it's still 12%. And of course, later, so this is in the early days. Later, when it's more mature, obviously here in the early days, you have the double-digit yields, which is the great one. But it's newer and it's higher risk. It's always with higher reward, it goes higher risk. And then you have later single-digit yields, but it's battle-tested and lower risk. Obviously, lower risk, less reward. But just think about this 2.1%. Even when there is 50 million ETH staked, it's much better than the negative interest what you get, for example, in a bank. And we're talking about here later, but right now we're in the early days. I think so. This is very important. So it's pretty much working like a bond, but you're not having in the dollar, you're having ETH. And right now, before the bull market, it looks like it will go up, Ethereum, and therefore ETH. And of course, you can make yield. And at the very beginning, you can gain much more. So it's a win-win situation. On the other hand, if you just hold dollar, most likely the value of dollar in the future will go down because of the present economic situation and because you trust in government. Here you have less risk. You have it, of course, the technical risk, how the platform is and the protocol is functioning, but it's not that much, I think. So I think it's a worth think about. You do your own homework. I just wanted to share you this information because I think it's cutting edge thing. The second news is, again, connected to DeFi. And thanks to the guys at Curve, it looks like that Wall Street, I mean the institutional investors, but because they want to do it for them, maybe will be involved in DeFi. And at the present, it will be just deposit, but later, here it says, but later borrow crypto assets through Compound. And is they going to use Compound? So the first one will be Compound introduced to institutional investors, so which means Wall Street. But later on, maybe Kyber and the other ones will join. That means sooner or later they will also use DeFi, and it's big. You know, moving from centralized finance to decentralized finance is the future most likely. And if they start to get it, that will give a big push to the industry for sure. So this was the second news I wanted to point out. This is actually a very good one. And I have the third one, and this is Ampleforth. And in the previous videos I had it during this week, I have talked about Ampleforth, but I just mentioned basically why it's a great cryptocurrency. The key topic was this major fall. You know, it happened on the 12th of July, actually 13th of July. It went down. You know, as you can see, it's like crazy. From $4, it went down to 1.4 or something like that. 1.36 actually. And now it's coming back. So whoever invested somewhere here at the bottom, it's great. But how it works, and it's very important to understand because it works differently than other cryptocurrencies. Usually, let's go with an example. It's, you know, you catching this falling knife and you buy it here on maybe on $2. It's great. It's still coming down. So you have your Ampleforth on $2. And then what's happening, its market cap, it's growing. Excuse me. So its market cap is growing because now more and more people are getting interested into it. However, it's a kind of stable coin. Of course, it's not very stable at the moment, which means the protocol is working that it's pushing it towards the $1. But because now people FOMO in now and buying it, they're pushing the price up. And actually, it can happen. Actually, it happened that if you have bought it here on $2, for instance, and it was still down to 1.7 or something like that. So with a normal cryptocurrency, it would like, okay, I'm still negative, so I'm not making profit. Because its market cap, it's gaining, you were actually in plus, even that the price was lower. And why is that? Look, here you have this, going 14 days. Yeah, okay, 14 days. Look, in the 14 days, here you can see this is the price. So it's going from $4 down to 1.36 and then now at 2 something. And now we go to market cap. What we can see, look, when it was at the top with $4, its market cap was lower as it is now, even that the price is about half of it. And because it's up here, you're making actually more profit. So here, it matters. What matters is the market cap. It's like you buying this cryptocurrency, you get slice from the cake, and you still get the same portion. The market cap is actually growing. That means you're getting more and more cryptocurrencies. And it's very interesting that the number of your cryptocurrency is gaining, and with the market cap growing. And the protocol is pushing it down to $1, but if it's going up, you know, you're definitely in positive. And there's a good question then, you're thinking how to do it with, how to store this on your hardware wallet, because the amount of the coins are changing. And it's very simple, it's written in their protocol. So if you using, for example, Ledger, you connect your Ledger wallet, you keep your older, your Ampleforth coins there, and it's refreshing it continuously. So you always have, if you connect your Ledger to your Ledger Live, the computer, then it will basically refresh it and you will see the right amount. So it's normally, it's an ERC20 token, as far as I know. And it's working like that. So it's a very interesting one. You know, it's a win-win. It's a stable coin, so it keeps your value, but with the market cap growing, you actually make profit. I hope it was clear. If you have still any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll try to answer it for you, okay? So that's it for today. I hope you found this video interesting. And if you liked it, then please press the like button, and next to it, there is the subscription button. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they're out. We keep you up to date. Every weekday, I'm making a brand new video about blockchain and cryptocurrency. And with us, yes, as I said, you can stay up to date. And this is crucial in this market. Now, we are before the bull run. We don't know where it is. But when we about to start, it's very important to know which are the top altcoins, how the market is behaving, what are the news. And this is this channel all about, to provide you all these information. Okay? So thanks a lot for watching. I wish you an amazing weekend. And on Monday, I'm coming back with the freshest news and with a brand new video. So guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.